Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I got special style for you, so let's see what I got. Okay, I love the style. This is jumbo braid and cornrow. This looks like it's gonna be heavy. I don't like balding, like heavy extension on my head, so much extension, so this looks so bulky. Well, it's beautiful, but I don't know if I would want to have the style. So this is another beautiful style. Looks more like Zumba hair beauty kind of braids. And this is another, this is like the 3-step braids. I could remember when I was in back in college, I always loved the style because there's something unique about the style. It doesn't really look like those cornrow that within 2 weeks start pulling off standing, but this one's kind of like it's durable. I always end up like wearing it for more than 6 weeks. You know, back in college we always wear hair for a longer duration, so that's kind of lasts longer for me. So this is another style. This is more from Zumba Hair Beauty, so check out her IG, Super Hair Beauty. So she does a whole lot of beautiful styles out there, so yeah, you will definitely see what you like. This is another style from a different stylist. Yeah, so this I love the edges, how they made the edges. The edges look so beautiful. Okay, this is another one. Let me see what they got. Okay, the color combination looks so good. And this is a jumbo buzz braid. Wow. Something I notice about buzz braid is if the braids is of the smaller size, you tend to use lesser extension, but when it's jumbo, like that particular jumbo buzz braid you're seeing, definitely it's going to be like up to 5 pack of expression. But if you should still make that same style for the smaller strands, you may use 3, maximum 3 pack of extension. So that's why I love jumbo braid, but it's so bulky for me. Yeah, this is another like the lock twists. Red. I've been looking for this red color dye, but I've not been able to, even when the pack shows that it's red dye and they show you something close to this, but at the end of the day, when you dye your hair, you find out that it's just not it. It's not even close to it. Yeah, so even if I understand you have to bleach your hair before you, but even with the bleaching, so I've never been able to get this exactly kind of red dye on my hair, but even if I wanted to, but I don't intend dyeing my hair anytime soon. So yeah, this is I love what I'm saying. The color combination, this is beautiful. Barbie girl. This is another style from Zumba. When I say Zumba hair beauty styles, I easily can spot it out from all other stylists. There are a lot of other bunch of stylists that are doing very well, but Zumba's kind of like standard. Maybe because I do compilation videos, so I could easily like spot it from other stylists. So maybe that is why. So this is another beautiful one. This looks gorgeous.